Samsung has finally made the move everyone knew was only a matter of time, officially introducing the Galaxy Z TriFold, its first true multi-folding device and a brand new chapter in the company's foldable lineup. It's the biggest step forward Samsung has taken in this category in years, and it makes it clear that the brand isn't slowing down on foldable innovation anytime soon. The TriFold is built around a simple idea: combine high-end performance with real portability and genuine productivity, and make the whole experience feel seamless. To get there, Samsung designed a device that unfolds twice, revealing a large 10-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display that immediately changes how you work, multitask, and watch content. The phone uses an inward folding structure, where both sides close over the main screen for protection, and Samsung added smart touches like on-screen prompts and subtle vibrations that alert you if you're folding the device the wrong way, making the whole process feel surprisingly natural for something with moving parts. Fully open, the inner display becomes the star of the show, offering the functional space of roughly three 6.5-inch phones placed side by side. This gives you room to run up to 3 apps at once, resize windows freely, and turn the TriFold into a mini productivity hub wherever you are. That experience is pushed even further, thanks to the TriFold being the first mobile device to support standalone Samsung DeX, letting you launch a full desktop-style interface without needing an external monitor or accessories. It ships with Android 16 and One UI 8 out of the box, so everything feels modern and ready to go from day one. Under the hood, Samsung uses a customized Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with 16 GB of RAM and either 512 GB or 1 TB of storage. The camera system includes a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 200-megapixel main sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, while both the cover and inner displays have their own 10-megapixel selfie cameras to keep image quality consistent in any mode. Samsung also put a lot of engineering muscle into the hardware. The TriFold introduces its most advanced hinge setup yet, using 2 different hinge sizes to create a smoother and more stable folding motion. The display is reinforced with a stronger overcoat and a shock-absorbing layer for better durability, and the device still manages an IP48 water resistance rating, something that's rare in foldables this complex. To keep it all powered, Samsung added its largest foldable battery to date, a 5,600 mAh 3-cell setup with a cell in each panel, along with 45 watts fast charging, so you can get back to full quickly. Despite everything packed inside, the TriFold measures just 3.9 mm when open and weighs 309 grams. It supports 5G, LTE, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4. All the Galaxy AI features like Photo Assist, Generative Edit, Live Translate, and more are ready and available immediately. Samsung will release the Galaxy Z TriFold first in South Korea on December 12 at around $2,500, and it has already confirmed launches in the United States, the UAE, Singapore, China, and Taiwan shortly after. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily Samsung news and updates, and don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.